Hey everybody, I'm back. This is Grandma Linda back with another video for you, and today I am going to see if I can tell the difference between the name brand and the off brand of different products. So have a good time with this. I know I'm going to, and we'll start off with the first product and see if I can tell the difference, which one I like the best. All right. Okay, I'm going to see if I can tell the difference between the name brand and the off-brand Oreo cookies or something, or whatever, some kind of cookie. And I'm gonna take a bite, and I hope my teeth don't fall out. But if they do, I'll just pick them up and wash them off. I'm gonna take this first cookie on my right. You know, I wish I had some milk. Because whatever cookie this is, it's really dry. It's good, but I have to be able to swallow it. Anyway. Okay, that was good. That's the cookie on my right. That's good. Now I'm going to try this one. This is good too. Oh boy. This tastes like 1% milk, and that's good. But what I'm gonna do is have a little shot more of milk. Quite tasty. I'm gonna say that this cookie on the left-hand side is the name brand, and I would imagine the name brand would be, maybe I'm not even supposed to say, I'll say Oreo brand. And this one is a different brand, not so popular as the Oreo brand. But this is what I'm saying. Name brand, off brand, but they're really good. This one's just a little bit better than this one. That's my calculation, and you know, I don't know, I like chocolate, so I'll chow down on both kinds anyway, so what difference does it make? But this one is a little bit better, this on the left, and that's my opinion. Okay, this is my second checking of the name brand versus the off brand, and we're gonna work on popcorn right now. And I'll tell you, I'm a little bit weird. I like to have milk with my popcorn too. So, you know, a lot of people like soda pop and whatever, but I like milk. So I'm gonna take a couple little kernels. It could be skinny popcorn, or it could be the plain label or the off brand. Who knows? I don't know, but I'm gonna take a try. I'm gonna try on my left hand side here. I have to say, it happens to be on my left hand side again. I do believe that this is the skinny popcorn or the name brand. Yeah, I like it. Very good. Both of them are good, but I like the left-hand side better. Okay, our next challenge is soda, and I believe it's Dr. Pepper's. And we'll see if the name brand versus the not so name brand, which one is the best, and if I can tell the difference. So I'm going to take just a little sip of the right hand glass of soda. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. This could be Mr. Pibb. I don't know. Oh, wow. This is a tough one. Okay. Maybe I gotta take another little taste. Oh my goodness. This is just gonna be a guess. I'm gonna say on the left is the true Dr. Pepper. And then I'm gonna say that this one on my right is, I don't know, Mr. Pibb or somebody, or Dr. Doolittle, or whatever the off-brand would be. But I think this is the true Dr. Pepper. Okay, our next challenge is sour cream and onion potato chips. And I'm gonna take a chip here, and I kept some soda here just to have it, because chips and soda is so good anyway. But on my right hand side, go on my left hand side. Oh boy. This is another tough one, but I'm going to say the right-hand side is the name brand, and the left-hand side would be the off-brand or not-so-name brand. Okay, our last challenge is going to be with the Frosted Flakes. Whether it's Kellogg's or who knows what, or Fairway or somebody, I don't know. We'll just kind of see. I'm going to try some few flakes on the right hand side here. Man, this is another close one. I don't know why I've been given these such tough challenges. This isn't right. Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Decisions. I'd never make a good judge. The flakes on my right hand side, I'll say they're the name brand. It was just funny when I was going to say flakes, whatever. And then this on the left is the not so name brand of the Frosted Flake. We're back, and now I'm going to find out if I got any right or any wrong or a happy medium. I'm going to find out for sure what is the verdict on these products. Oh my goodness. I told you it was close. I told you it was close. I picked the off-brand, but so now everybody, you can get the off-brand. I mean, that's my opinion. Get the off-brand and you save some money. You don't have to get the regular Dr. Pepper. My opinion. Ah, thank goodness. 1 out of 2. That's not bad. So far, so good. So, yes. Okay. All right. That's good. Good. Yes. That's good. Ugh. Oh, boy. Well, you can see that probably the majority of the time, probably, as I was growing up and through the adult years, I probably picked off-brands, but, that must mean that the off-brands are really pretty competitive. Here we go again. Here we go. Like I said, they're making the products better and better, even if they're not name brand. That's okay. They were both really good, very tasty. Name brands, what can I tell you? Better step it up a little bit. There you go. Now, once again, I'm going to ask you to please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. That's what gives me all the points and gets this ball rolling. Do it for Grandma Linda. Do it for Grandma Linda.